this is the diagram. This is the diagram. What is given for me? X plus y. X plus y. See in the diagram. Okay. See in the diagram. X plus y is equal to w plus z it seems. Okay. If you add that, you will get w plus z. Now what I should prove? AOB is a line. If AOB is line, how much will be its total angle for a line? How much would be the angle? 180 degree. If I prove z plus w is equal to 180 degree, if I prove z plus w is equal to 180 degree, then my work is over or no? I will get AOB or no? I will get AOB. Understood? I should prove z plus w is equal to 180 degree. So how will I prove that? Say proof. Say very simple proof. Okay. So x plus y is equal to w plus z. Leave that. That is given. Remember this. Now, if I add all the angles x plus y plus z plus w, how much will I get? Y. Why? It became a complete angle or no? Total circle what will now? I started from here. I did a whole circle. X plus y plus w plus z plus. Correct? We did a complete circle. To complete a circle, it will become how much? 360 degree. Okay. So x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree. Why? It became a complete angle. Now it is a complete angle. Complete angle. Now, what is given for me? X plus y is equal to how much? X plus y means what? W plus z. Yes or no? It is given or no? X plus y is equal to what? So what I did, x plus y, I shifted it and I made it a w plus z. Understood? Now what is remaining? Plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree. Correct? Understood or no what I did? Now w plus w, 2w plus z plus z, 2z is equal to 360 degree. What is common? 2 of w plus z is equal to 360 degree. W plus z is equal to 360 by 2. 2 will come down. 2 will come down. 2 ones are 180 are. W plus z is equal to. Do you know more simplest proof? Bantil answer. So I proved W plus Z is equal to how much? 180 degree. That means this angle. See, W means this angle. Understood or no? Z means this angle. So it became a semicircle. I got a semicircle. So AOB is what now? Line. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಾಗ ಮಾಡಿವಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೇನೆ. Do you remember that? If two angles are adjacent and they make up to 180 degree then the non-common arms will be equal to how much? 180 degree. This we have done or no? So two angles are adding up and making 180 degree. Two angles are adding up and making 180 degree. Then the non-common arms, that is AO and OB, if I add up, it will become AOB. That will be equal to 180 degree and it became a line. It became a line. Understood or no? Okay. Till here SOQ minus this angle, shaded part. SOQ, this whole angle minus this shaded part. If I subtract that, what I will get? I will get this angle. Correct? ಕಾಣತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿಪ್ಪ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದೈತಿ. ಇದ್ರಾಗಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ತಿಂದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದೈತಿಲ್ಲ. This will remain or no? Yes or no? So angle SOQ minus angle ROS is equal to how much? 90 degree. Why? 90 degree is remaining. 90 degree is remaining. So again I should keep angle ROS. So angle ROS I will send that side. 90 degree will come this side. Angle SOQ minus 90 degree. Okay. Now add both the equations. First equation, second equation. By adding angle ROS plus angle ROS to angle ROS. And you write this. 90 degree minus angle POS. SOQ minus angle minus 90 degree. 90 degree cancel. SOQ minus angle POS. 2 will come here. 1 by 2 angle SOQ minus angle POS. ತಿಳಿತು ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಂತೂ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋತೀರಿ, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು, that is easy. ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇಷ್ಟ. This whole angle minus this ROS. That you should remember and go. You can't go and do directly. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಐತಿ ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಐತಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಅವ್ರು? ತಡಿ 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 See, already it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 54 degree. Okay, what is given? 64, okay. 64 degree. 64 degree. What is given? Angle XYZ is equal to how much? 64 degree. Okay.
XY is produced to point P.
Okay.
Draw a figure from the given information. If A y cube bisects.
See here. First, this angle is equal to 64 degree. Then XY is produced to P. Then YQ is dividing this angle. YQ is dividing ZYP. If YQ is dividing ZYP, this angle and this angle will be what? Equal.
Find XY cube, angle XY cube and reflex angle.
1 second. To find
QYP.
Angle XYQ is equal to question mark and
reflex QYP angle QYP
is equal to question mark. So here, once again I will tell you what is happening here. First, XY is produced to YP. XY is produced to P, and ZY angle ZYP is divided by YQ. If it is divided by YQ, this and this will become same. Yes or no? Equally it is divided. So if this is 30 degree, this also will be 30 degree. Understood or no? It is divided equally. Divided equally. So I took A and A because they both are equal. Now how should I find them? First, if I add this angle plus this angle plus this angle, how much will I get? 180 degree. So 64 directly will write. Angle X, Y, Z, first angle, next plus angle ZYQ plus angle what? QYP. QYP is equal to how much? 180 degree. 180 degree. Correct? Correct. How much is angle XYZ? 64 degree. How much is angle ZYQ? QYP is equal to 180 degree. 64 degree plus A is equal to 2A is equal to 180 minus 64. A is equal to 2A is equal to 180 minus 64, 180 minus 60, 120, 114. A is equal to 114 by 2. A is equal to 2 1s are 2 5s are 14 7s are 57 degrees. A is equal to 57 degree is this. This is also 57 degree. Now let's add and see. Confirmation. 50 plus 50 100. 7 plus 7 14. 14 तब बनेगा ना 50 1s are 2 5s are 10 2 1s are 2 5s are 10 14 7s are ಇದೇನೋ ತಪ್ಪು ಹೇಳಿರಿ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ನೀವು 116 ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಇದು ಹೌದಲ್ಲ 116 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ 64 ಮೈನಸ್ 180 ಮೈನಸ್ 64 116 ಇದೆ 58 ಇದೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 58 degree okay 58 degree not 57 degree ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ನಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ನಾನು ಸೊ 50 plus 50 100 8 plus 8 16 116 plus 4 120 plus 60 180 correct ಆತ ಕುಂತ so I have done correct okay next after doing this now what I should do now go to the sum how much is angle XYQ angle XYQ where is angle XYQ first you go to diagram and search okay XYQ XYQ. So to get XYQ, I should add this angle and this angle. Yes or no? So angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ. Angle XYZ plus angle Which angle? ZY? Q. Understood or no? Understood or no what I did? How much is XYZ? 64 degree. How much is ZYQ? 58 degree. Now add it. 4, 64, 60, 62, 122. 122. Okay, 122 degree. That is our XYQ. Understood or no? Understood how I did? How I did? Understood? Now he is asking me reflex of angle Q Y P. So reflex of angle QYP. QYP is here. QYP. QYP is 58 degree. So 360 degree minus 58 degree. That is 302 degrees. Food. Easy? Easy? Understood or no?